Casper, come on. Dance. You know I dance.
Good boy, Casper, you're dancing. It's Casper dancing.
Come on. Come on. Come on now. Hello.
Hello. Oh, Wilf. Wilfie. You doing up the top of the curtains, fella?
Yeah.
You dancing, Casper? Casper, you dancing?
Come on then.
Good boy.
Come on.
You dancing? Here he is. Hello. Oh, you're regurgitating, you minger. Yes. You're Grossberger, aren't you? Yes, I know. We love you too. Yes, we do. It's not... What are you doing with my finger? You cheeky boy. You want to swing round? Careful then. Oh, we're grunting. We're excited, aren't we?
It's not us.
What was that? Hello, monkey.
You win.
Hello, monkey.
Oh, well,
You gonna dance? Casper, you gonna dance? What? What are you doing? You wave. Hello.
Casper. You know what else?
What was that? What do you say, Cass?
Casper. Charlie.
Charlie? Where's Charlie? Is he in the dining room?
Charlie.
I'm alright, mate. Are you alright, mate?
Charlie, my ass. Charlie.
Charlie? Dance, Casper. Dance, Casper.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Come on.
Charlie's talking to you, Cass.
Come on.
What was that? I'm talking gobbledygook.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Come on, mate.
Come on then.
Come on. Casper. Charlie.
Having fun? You shutting my curtains? Casper. Is Beth coming? Where's Beth? Have you seen who's up on top of the curtains?
Right.
He flew towards Casper, ended up hanging onto the side of the curtains, so climbed up, and has since been wandering around on the top. Oh, thank you, darling. Oh, such a get Casper's stuff. Oh, was this Casper?
Sweetie.
He's full of it.
Video.
Yeah, got loads of them on video.
Sweetie.
Can you show it, Beth? Casper?
Oh, God, I'm going to get out of the wrapper first.
Let's get Charlie as well, Beth.
There you go.
We'll get Charlie.
Let me break you a bit off. You're not having the old thing. There you go.
We'll get Charles.
There you go. Eat that.
Where's Charlie?
There you go, Charles.
You bringing him through?
Come.
He's been talking, bless him. Crispy? Here's a bit of sweetie. Oh, is it nice and fruity? Is it nice and fruity?
Cass.
Got some fruit. Is it a fruit sweetie? Oh, nice. So it's more fun just to throw around. Where you, Charlie? Oh, Charlie likes it. A nice Charles.
Oh, you. Stop getting jealous.
He's been full of it. He's been swinging around upside down and all sorts. Hey, right up there, Wilf? Yeah. We having fun?
Go and eat your sweetie then. Where is it? Is that nice?
Bless him. Is that good, Charles?
Spitting. Oh, he's jealous. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice, Casper.
You good boy. Oh, we have more.
Charlie giving kisses too. Charlie, kisses. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Thank you. Oi,
Not believe.
Charlie, you.
Oh, he's getting
Oi.
bitey. Oh, is he
Is
Mardy?
it because Casper's too close to you?
You nappy? Dear me. Come here, Crispy. You come to me. Here's your sweetie, look. Eat that. You eat your sweetie.
No, we're not off to eat Casper. That's what you want, innit? Because he made you Mardy.
Oh God, watch out. He's going to end up flying. I'm going to go clear the way quick. Alright, Wilf, you on your way home? Go back to your cage then. Are you alright, fella? Be nice. Good boy, Wilf. Say bye-bye, everyone.